What if the foods you trust the most, the gluten-free muffin, the low-fat yogurt, the all-natural smoothie, are quietly stopping your fat loss? You're not doing anything wrong. You've just been sold a very convincing lie. You grab the granola bar with real fruit, choose light salad dressing, and drink green juice because it feels healthy. But that granola bar often has more sugar than a cookie? Low-fat foods usually replace fat with sugar and fillers, which spike insulin and tell your body to store fat. And gluten-free snacks? They're often refined starches that leave you hungry and trigger cravings. The front label looks healthy, but your body experiences something very different. You feel like you're doing everything right, yet the scale won't move. Your energy crashes, and you feel bloated. You stand in the supermarket staring at labels thinking, why is this so hard? You're not failing. You're navigating an environment designed to confuse you. Now, imagine walking through that same supermarket, calm and confident. You instantly recognize which foods work for your body. No guessing. Just clarity. Instead of sugary flavored yogurt, you choose plain Greek yogurt and add your own berries. More protein, less sugar. You stay full for hours. Instead of a granola bar, you grab boiled eggs or nuts with fruit, real food that controls hunger. Instead of a bottled smoothie packed with sugar, you build one with protein, frozen berries, spinach, and seeds. Same convenience, completely different outcome. Nothing extreme, just smarter swaps, and suddenly, your energy stabilizes, the bloating disappears. The scale begins moving, not because you're eating less, but because your body feels safe enough to let go of fat. You feel in control again. This isn't about banning foods. It's about choosing the version that supports your goals. If this resonated with you, subscribe for new fat loss videos every week. Your body isn't the problem. You just needed the right system.